Hello guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Mo and welcome to a new video. Guys, today I am currently 5 weeks postpartum. I just realized that now. I forgot today was Monday. Yeah. So I don't really have much going on, but I wanted to make sure I keep trying to be consistent with these videos or whatever. So I'm on my way right now. I'm in the line at Dunkin' Donut to get an iced coffee. I should not be, but I've become like obsessed with this iced coffee, the caramel iced coffee. I used to drink the first. I used to be obsessed with the mocha frozen coffee, and then one day I so happened to just try the caramel. I don't know why. I just tried the caramel, and I like that one. I drink a lot of that when I was pregnant, and then my daughter actually bought the iced coffee, the caramel iced coffee, and I tried it, and since then that has been what I've been drinking. It takes a lot for me not to actually buy one every day because it is $3 and 60 something, and I've been really trying to avoid coming here, but once I come outside I normally grab it. And on top of that, they have like rewards and stuff, so if you buy a certain amount you get for free, and then on some days you get free drinks. But I need to stop. I need to start because I need to get back on my fitness journey because your girl is a tickums right now. You see this nonsense? Anyway guys, I am on my way to, after I pick up my iced coffee, I'm on my way to Publix. My daughter actually saw a pizza, air fried pizza concoction that she wants to try, so I'm gonna go buy the dough. I don't feel like making any dough, and on top of that, making pizza dough, it calls for 00, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but a 00 kind of flour, and it's kind of on the expensive side. It's like 8 something for it, and I don't feel like I make pizza that often to buy it, so I'm just gonna go to Publix, and Publix have the dough, and I'm just gonna get it from there. And also I want to pick up some vegan mozzarella cheese because I want to try it as well. Yeah guys, guys, I used to get a medium, and then one day I tried the large because I had a free drink. And then I realized how much whatever they have to put on it to make it perfect and just the way I like it. So then I order it just like that from now on, and it's almost always now, except for some reason if I get it on the weekends, it don't really taste that good. I'd be like, why on the weekends it don't taste good? Maybe the person who normally make it on the weekdays know how to perfect it, you know what I'm saying? But anyway guys, I'm on my way to Publix, as I said. Gonna get this stuff, then I'll show you guys our little meal for the day. We're gonna consider this. It's now 2:37. By the time I get back from the store, it'll probably be like around 3:30. So by the time we finish, it'll be like we haven't had breakfast. Well, I haven't had breakfast. I think the kids ate already. I haven't had breakfast or lunch. This is the first thing I'm eating. I tried to eat a banana just now, but the banana was green, and so I wasn't able to eat that. But when I get back, I'm gonna try to eat something because I am breastfeeding and the baby is sucking all my strength. But anyway guys, let me go get these stuff. So hey guys, welcome back. We are back from the grocery store. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I got. I got these. I've been telling my daughter about these for a while now, and I never bought them. And today it was buy one get one free, and it is Lindy's homemade Italian ice, and one was $4.79, and then you get the second one free. So I got 2 different flavors. I got blueberry, raspberry, and cherry in one box, and then I have the combo, or I guess this is combo, these are together, and this is strawberry and watermelon. So excited for her to try these. I got me a box of Frosted Flakes. This is my kryptonite because when I tell you I love this with some oat milk, I love this. I'm not eating it in the morning and in the night before I go to bed, which is bad because the sugar is bad right now with me trying to get on my weight loss thingy, but it is what it is. I got me another oat milk because I only have like half a box left, so just went ahead and buy that since it's there. I have bananas, but I wanted to eat one like ASAP, so I got ahead and bought 2 of them. I saw these sparkling water, so I decided to buy this one was also buy one get one free, and I think this was $5.79 for a pack, and you get the second one free. So I went and buy the summer berry and also the cherry lemonade. For the pizza recipe, I got the pizza dough. I got the girls some pepperoni. I also got me some vegan mozzarella because I'm gonna do mine vegan. And I got some stick butter because I realized every time I'm doing a recipe and it calls for like butter, I have to go inside a bowl of butter. So I bought some stick, and then I bought me some tofu. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna go wash my hands and get ready to make these pizza, and I'll show you guys how they turn out. Alright guys, we're about to start. First thing I'm gonna do, unlike every recipe, I always add my own touch to it. But first thing I'm gonna do, I melt some butter. All the butter that I have is plant-based, so the kids will have to just do with that. I'm gonna melt some butter and add I don't think I need that much, but some butter. I'm gonna add some garlic powder to it. Ooh. Add some garlic powder, and also I'm gonna add some oregano. Yeah, because I like oregano. Alright guys, let me get this melted. Alright guys, so I have everything prepared for mine. I'm gonna have vegan mozzarella on mine, some spinach, some onion and tomato. And for the kids, they have the regular mozzarella, of course the pizza sauce. This is the butter, garlic and oregano mix, so to brush them with, and the pizza dough. The kids also have pepperoni. So let's get into it, guys. I'm gonna actually roll out the dough and cut out use this thing to cut out the pizza, whatever you call it. Okay guys, so I have tried 2 different sizes, and as you can see, completely failed. I don't know if it's the dough, but I'm just gonna make my own dough. I should have did that from the get-go, but those dough are not sticking together, and this is a complete fail. It's not, the dough is not like stretching or anything like that, so I'm just gonna try to make my own dough and see if that works out better. Which is not what I wanted to do. Too much work. Alright guys, so I decided to make my own dough. So I'm waiting for this to rise. I have to wait 30 minutes for it to rise. But with because I'm hungry and it's already after 5 and I haven't eaten anything all day. With the dough that I bought, I'm just gonna make me a pizza. Hopefully I like it, because I've never had the vegan mozzarella cheese before. So Hopefully I like it. So let's try this pizza dough one more time, and I'll let you guys see how it comes out. I'm just gonna roll it out. I just don't like how we don't have any stretch to it. It's so annoying. So this is where it is right now. Thing have no shape. But anyway, I'm waiting for the stove to warm up, then we'll put it in. Alright guys, and my pizza is my pizza is ready. I'm gonna cut it and do a taste test for you guys because I am starving and so ready to eat. Alright guys, here we go. Whew. I've never had mozzarella, vegan mozzarella before, so I don't know. I like it. 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 Tastes good. It's not something I'm gonna be like making continuously, but it's good. Definitely. Alright guys, I'm waiting for the cake to finish. It's in the air fryer right now, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. My oldest daughter like it. Can you taste and see if you like it? Oh, just bite here. She says she liked it as well. I can't try it because I don't want to eat the regular cheese. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure enjoy making it, although it took me like hours when it's supposed to take a couple minutes. I'm still eating my pizza, guys. So good. Alright guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also share it. Also put on your post notification bell so you're gonna each time I upload a new video. Until next time guys, bye.